So guys, we're cutting termites, and just realized that I was recording on time lapse. So they come out of here. Oh, why are they moving now? They are flying from my cup. So we are eating with Eri, the chickens, Simba, everyone is over here. They are flying off my. You don't jump up. When will I ever fill up my cup, you guys? All of them. You hear it now? We are competing with the chickens and the chickens, Eri, and everyone. Eri, catch the termites. They're flying termites. Don't fly out now. Eri. Oh, they're flying out. So unfortunately guys, I didn't recognize that I was recording on time lapse, so there's no sound. I know you guys enjoyed the video. Kwenda Simba. Eri. this is how the flying termites this is how we catch them, and you can eat them raw without cooking them. Look, you have plenty of them over here. Why is Eri complaining? Eri, see, that's how they come out. Right, they're flying out. So guys, I've caught like a significant amount, not a lot because I was catching alone, and they're flying out. Oi. So you can actually eat them raw or you can fry them. Should we fry them? Then I'll show you how they look like. They're not bugs. They are delicacy. The chickens are still eating. So guys, there's a way to catch them without them flying away. And you can build like a kind of a structure. There's a structure that people build like to catch them. Then you cover it with banana leaves and etc. so they don't move out. Then you put some stick inside there, and the termites then just come to the hole. Then you collect them. That is how I think that's why my daddy is putting water, because he wants them not to come out today, so that next time they come out you'll be able to build like a structure so that to catch a lot of them. For the meantime, let's fry out the friend termite that we are able to catch. It's quite a delicacy here. Unfortunately, I didn't realize they were coming up. I was in the house and my dad is telling me, oh, get outside and catch some doya. We call them doya in the local language. So just gonna be, what is it, Simba? We're just gonna be fry them. I'll show you how we fry them. Then maybe we try eating them. Jeff, watch out, you are eating insects today. Anyway, let me just fry it and I end the video. It takes less than 2 minutes to get ready. You just need to put this one, then put fire, then you hand the termite in the entire, then you heat. First you preheat the pan so that they don't fly out. Okay, let me put them in there. Then you hand salt and your insects are ready. You don't have to hand salt or anything, nothing. I have to remove this one. But for me, I prefer if I don't put like the feathers. They irritate me, so I'm just gonna get rid of the feathers. Then I'll be left with the insect alone. Yeah, let me get rid of these feathers, then I'll show you the end product. Oh, and they smell so nice. Oh, guys, I know you guys think they're gross, but they're not. They smell so nice, super delicious. Even the chicks want to get some. No, I'm not sharing with you. Look at Simba also. Where are the cats? Eri, come for some termites. Eli, couscous. Simba. Now see, Simba is always notifying me. So I need to get rid of the feathers, then I'll show you the product. And we try and get the video. No, I'm not sharing. Even you, Harry, I'm not giving you anything. I'm doing this so that I'll get rid of the feathers. Look at this one. Harry, I'm not giving you anything. Then you improve. Don't ask if you see me with a lot of feathers on my face. Stop it. So I'm blowing, the feathers will run away. They'll fly away. Oh my god, I'm full of feathers. Oh. Oi. Guys, this is an impromptu video. I wasn't supposed to do a video today. Ah, Harry. No. Ellie, you are eating yours. Though you want to eat mine. I know the feathers entering into my mouth. Oi. Guys, let me finish with this one. Goose, you are sleeping now. You want some termites? Would you? I'm not sharing my termites. I was catching by myself. I need to remove this one. Eerie, get down and I'm sharing. They look cleaner now. I'm left with the insect itself, apart from the feathers, and all the feathers are on my face. So if you see my face with feathers, don't ask where they came from. Oh yeah, just look at that. Some yummy flying termites. Let me wipe my face first. Oh, I'm full of, oh my god, even my hair. Jesus. And look weird. Ah, Harry. You kapaka. Let me give you a little. Where is Goose? Let me share a little with Harry. Yeah. Eat that one. No, Harry. You want no? You eat this one. You don't want this one. No. Oh, now look at Harry. Ah, you want the everything now. I'm not giving you. Don't go away. What's interesting, guys? They all. Anyway, let me just eat this one. You see, the edible. You just take the entire thing you put into your mouth. I couldn't catch a lot of them, but they're super nice. I'm not sharing Goose because it has just poured everything out. Oh, last thing, I love frying termites. Just super nice. Hey, share with them, brother. Done. Hey, have you finished everything or you left some for your brother? Yeah, Goose. Eat this one because you're the one who have refused to eat. Eat. Even the chickens, I know they can eat. Let me just share some. Take. Let me share with the chickens. You, Simba, you are getting nothing. You are eating for yourself. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. It's an impromptu video. Because I didn't want to post any video today. I need to get rid of these feathers and everything. I just decided to take my camera and just record the experience. So let me get rid of everything on my face, and let me see on the next one. This one is a special video because I wasn't supposed to do a video today, but let me just extend it a little bit. Kalembo, yeah, I'm not sharing anything with you. Kalembo, hi, hello. You're saying you're planning today. Simba, stop it. Stop. Stop, Simba. You want to mess up